This is a Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and if you want to find out how to operate the child locking system on the rear door, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2023 Land Cruiser 300 series, and this is the GLX model. And I'm just going to be quickly showing you how easy it is to operate the child locking system to the rear doors. So obviously with the car unlocked, we're going to go ahead and open up the rear door fully, and you'll just come down to this locking mechanism here, and you'll notice just below on the plastic we've got a little picture of a child and an arrow pointing down. So as a test, just give a quick tug on the door handle and you'll notice there's a bit of resistance there, and that's because it's operating the locking mechanism. So all we're going to do is going to flick this switch down with our finger, then give it a test again, and you'll notice that all resistance gone, and now this handle is not operating this lock. However, the lock on the outside will still open just fine. And to return it back to normal, it's super simple as well. We're just going to flick that switch all the way back up, and you'll notice that the resistance has come back to the locking mechanism, and the interior door handle now works as well as the exterior door handle. Super quick video for you today, and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.